A ranula is a retention cyst of the sublingual gland. Once that cyst crosses the mylohyoid muscle and enters the submandibular space, it becomes a diving ranula or a plunging ranula. So I am not interested in how it looks. I am simply looking at where it is and what does it do to the mylohyoid. So here we are. There is a cystic structure over here. There's the mylohyoid muscle there, sublingual gland. And there is a cyst over there. It is located a little far away, so I can't see it very well. But it does not cross the mylohyoid. It stays inside the mylohyoid. So I know that this is going to be a simple ranula, simply because it is restricted in the sublingual space. Now have a look at this one. This is again a cystic structure with debris inside it. Now I'm just going to run the clip for you. So this will be the sublingual space here. This will be the submandibular space here. I'm going to run this clip for you. See what this cyst does. And have a look. That is the mylohyoid muscle there. From the back of the mylohyoid, so from the sublingual space, mylohyoid, from the back of the mylohyoid, it enters the submandibular space. So like we said, the back of the mylohyoid is the free space that allows diseases to go from sublingual to submandibular and even medially into the parapharyngeal space. So just because it is crossing the mylohyoid, it starts in the sublingual, crosses the mylohyoid, enters the submandibular space. By its anatomical definition, I know that this is going to be a diving ranula or a plunging ranula, and an MR confirms both, the ranula on top and the diving ranula below. So again, simply based on anatomy, what it does, not what it looks. So what it looks is part 2. Very often you do not even require what it looks because the part 1 will tell you the diagnosis.